Welcome to the sacred cradle of horology, the Valet de Joux, where time is measured not just in seconds, but through generations of silent, patient dedication. Step inside a world where mechanical heartbeats govern reality, and where the smallest components, thinner than a human hair, create masterpieces worth a literal king's fortune. In these historic halls, time is a tangible art form. Every tick is a testament to a legacy that has survived the rise and fall of empires. From the grandeur of the snow-capped peaks to the microscopic scale of a gear train, Switzerland defines the ultimate bridge between nature and high-end engineering. Witness the gravity-defying dance of the tourbillon, a mechanical marvel designed to counteract the Earth's pull, ensuring the most accurate measurement of our fleeting moments. These are not mere tools for telling time. They are mechanical sculptures, symbols of status, and vaults of human ingenuity that can cost millions of dollars. To understand the value of a Swiss timepiece, one must look beyond the dial and venture deep into the very heart of the manufacturing process. This is the story of how raw metal is transformed into a living legacy, a journey from the furnace to the wrist of the world's elite. The journey begins with the finest materials known to man. At this level, steel is not just metal, it is the foundation of enduring luxury. Gold and platinum are melted and alloyed with secret formulas, ensuring that the luster of the watch case will never fade, even after a century. Modern technology meets traditional craft, as computer-controlled machines mill the cases to a precision of 1/1000th of a millimeter, creating the perfect protective shell. The symphony of industrial power is constant, as high-pressure jets of oil and water keep the tools sharp and the precious metals perfectly cool. Every curve and every hole is pre-calculated on advanced digital platforms, merging the visionary dreams of designers with the cold reality of physics. Despite the digital age, many masters still rely on paper blueprints, keeping the human touch and the spirit of the original inventors alive in every line. These synthetic rubies, known as jewels, are vital. They serve as nearly frictionless bearings for the rapidly spinning axles within the heart of the movement. The placement must be absolute. There is zero room for error, as these tiny stones will endure billions of rotations over the lifetime of the watch. Quality control starts at the atomic level. Every batch of metal is tested for purity to ensure the watch meets the rigorous Swiss standards. From this raw industrial beginning, the soul of the watch starts to take shape, ready to be refined by the hands of master artisans. It is a landscape of contrasts, where the raw power of metallurgy meets the delicate, silent precision of the cleanroom assembly line. Entering the cleanroom is like entering a laboratory. Here, a single speck of dust can be the enemy, capable of stopping a $1 million engine. Concentration is the currency here. The watchmaker's world is reduced to a few square millimeters, where every breath must be controlled and steady. The hairspring is the soul of the watch. Manipulating this delicate coil requires a touch so light it borders on the supernatural. Behind every loop is a lifetime of training. These masters can feel the tension in the metal, sensing imperfections that no machine can detect. The balance wheel is the regulator. Its steady oscillation is what divides time into the precise intervals we recognize as seconds, minutes, and hours. Even the screws are works of art. Some are so small that thousands could fit inside a thimble, yet each must be tightened to an exact torque. The gear train transmits power from the mainspring to the escapement. It is a mechanical marathon where every wheel must turn in perfect harmony. As the bridges are secured, the movement begins to look like a finished object, though the most difficult work is still hidden deep within. In this world, a deviation of a single micron is a failure. The fit must be absolute, or the entire mechanism will eventually grind to a halt. Lubrication is a science. Using too much or too little oil can ruin the watch's accuracy over the years. Precision is required down to the microliter. The oil must stay exactly where it is placed, resisting the forces of gravity and motion to keep the movement running smoothly for decades. This is the ticking sound you hear. It is the controlled release of energy, the heart of the watch finally coming to life for the first time. The mainspring is the fuel tank. It stores the potential energy that will power this mechanical marvel for the next 72 hours or more. Even the feel of the wind is engineered. It must be smooth yet substantial, giving the wearer a tactile connection to the machine on their wrist. Once the balance wheel begins to pulse, the watch is alive. It is no longer just a collection of parts, it has its own unique rhythm. For automatic movements, the rotor captures the energy of the wearer's every move, turning simple gestures into a constant stream of power. Complexities like perpetual calendars require hundreds of extra parts, all working to track the leap years and the varying lengths of the months. The moon phase adds a touch of the celestial, connecting the wearer to the cosmic cycles that have guided humanity since the dawn of time. It is a mechanical orchestra without a conductor, where every instrument is perfectly tuned to the frequency of time itself, ready for the final finish. Now we enter the realm of the aesthetic. Finishing is what separates a good watch from a masterpiece of high horology and artistic expression. Anglage, or beveling, is done entirely by hand. The artisan polishes the edges to a 45-degree angle, creating a brilliant, light-catching reflection. This mirror finish is the highest level of polishing. It is so perfect that it can only be achieved through hours of manual labor. The Côte de Genève stripes are the signature of Swiss quality. These decorative waves add depth and character to the flat surfaces of the movement. As the light moves, the patterns seem to dance, creating a visual texture that is as satisfying to look at as it is difficult to create. Perlage, or circular graining, is often hidden from view, yet it is applied with the same level of care as the parts you can see. Different textures are used to create contrast. Matte surfaces make the polished edges pop, highlighting the architecture of the movement in stunning detail. Black polishing is the ultimate test. When finished, the surface looks black from certain angles, because it reflects light so perfectly in only one direction. Hand engraving adds a unique fingerprint to every watch. No two pieces are ever truly identical when an artist's hand is involved in the decoration. It takes years to master the pressure required. One slip of the burin, and a component that took weeks to manufacture, is instantly destroyed. Flame bluing is a traditional technique. By heating steel to exactly 300 degrees Celsius, the surface transforms into a deep cornflower blue. This isn't paint or chemicals. It is a structural change in the metal itself, a permanent oxidation that protects against corrosion and looks breathtaking. Achieving a uniform color across a set of screws is a mark of a true master, requiring precise temperature control and an expert eye. Skeletonization pushes the limits of structural integrity. By removing all non-essential metal, the watchmaker reveals the inner soul of the mechanical machine. When time meets jewelry, the precision becomes even more critical. Each diamond must be set at the exact same height and angle to catch the light. The setter creates tiny beads of gold to secure the stones, a process that requires a delicate balance of strength and finesse. Enamel painting is a rare and dying art. The colors are made from crushed glass and fired in a kiln multiple times to reach perfection. Each firing is a risk. The dial could crack or the colors could change. But when successful, the result is a dial that will never fade. This is where the watch becomes more than a timepiece. It is an heirloom, a piece of wearable art that transcends the boundaries of time. But beauty is nothing without performance. Every watch must now face its final exam, a series of tests designed to simulate the harshest conditions. The pressure test ensures that the seals are airtight. Whether in a rainstorm or at the bottom of the ocean, the movement must remain dry. Shock resistance is tested by simulating everyday impacts. A luxury watch must be as tough as it is beautiful, surviving the rigors of modern life. Magnetism is a silent killer of accuracy. High-end Swiss watches use non-magnetic materials to ensure they remain precise even near electronic devices. Precision is the ultimate goal. The movement is adjusted in 5 different positions and at various temperatures to guarantee its chronometric performance. The COSC certification is a badge of honor, awarded only to those movements that maintain extreme accuracy over 15 days of rigorous testing. For the elite few, the Geneva seal represents the pinnacle of both finishing and accuracy, a standard that very few workshops in the world can meet. The final inspection is brutal. Even a tiny scratch, invisible to the naked eye, will result in the watch being sent back to the beginning. With the final seal applied, the watch is now a self-contained universe, protected from the outside world and ready for its first owner. The final touch is a simple polish, removing any fingerprints and revealing the true radiance of the metal and the clarity of the crystal. It is finally ready. From raw steel to a certified masterpiece, the journey of several hundred hours is complete, awaiting its place in history. In boutiques from Geneva to New York, these watches find their way to those who appreciate the true value of time and craftsmanship. To wear a Swiss masterpiece is to wear a piece of history. It is a statement of success, a celebration of the finer things in life. But more than status, it is about the connection to a tradition that refuses to be replaced by the digital gadgets of the modern era. You never truly own a watch like this. You merely look after it for the next generation, passing down a legacy that will never stop ticking. The traditions of Twicy endure because they are built on the bedrock of passion and the pursuit of perfection that spans centuries of human effort. In a world of planned obsolescence, the mechanical watch remains immortal. It is a triumph of human spirit over the inevitable passage of time. Twicy, where the art of the gear becomes the poetry of the soul. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the holy land of time.